wanna diss me, be my guest. I'm too short, I can seize on the matchbox and swing my legs. You can't drop punchlines and metaphors. This guy is not an MC, he was supposed to be Santa Claus. They gonna kill me if I go back. I suffer from chronic mental disorder. I'm a psychopath. I cross my heart and I hope to die. In fact, you are so ugly, you can make an onion cry. Don't disturb me, I'm gonna joke indeed. I'm gonna spend the rest of my life drinking and smoking weed, living in overseas and speaking in Portuguese. That was the first time I was eating a stolen cheese. Be careful when I grab this microphone. Don't just watch me, make yourself useful like a wife at home. And we don't care if you wanna beef with us. Your tracks are so whack and you sound ridiculous.
Yo, I'm the Bradley of rhythm and comedy. Regularly occurring humor, my jokes are poetic. You can't create your own style, you lazy born ass. That's why I fall asleep when I'm listening to your tracks. I wrote beside being a member of a dynasty. I was born 50 and I won't change, I will dynasty. I smoke hard, I don't care about my lungs. But that motherfucker who does everything for fun. Nonsensically verses are my style. I spit for chopper, walking past just to kill the crowd. You busy spitting long bars, wasting your time on end feeling your shit. Nobody wanna touch your palms. Why don't you give me the mic, you dictate? I'm far doper than y'all, you better ask your shit fans. I'm exhibiting symptoms of bad behavior. For real, I'm a madman, I'm suffering from mania.
I call upon killers who conspired but never made it. It's crazy, this coincided with the rumors that we faded. They called us the joke, but you came up never affiliated. It's your stupid sense of humor that got you humiliated. Lyrically I'm XL, with rhymes I excel. That means I'm big, you dropping shit in rhymes like what's that smell? Claiming they got beef but they break easy like an eggshell. You niggas are retarded, like a stupid bitch you can't spell. Even your greed for weed don't get you up to speed. And my lyrical dopeness indeed, and what these rappers need. The deed that I did caused a lyrical stampede. Don't call me Drake, I started from the bottom like a bland seed. Niggas whining how these trappers fucked the game up. Crying over spilled milk, it was in a paper cup. Brutal killer with lyrics and flows, you win the baby top. But I'm living this rapper's chest cold, big paper up.
Kill a motherfucker, tell him to not breathe for no reason. Bro spit some dope shit, they all still go feel me. Come till me, go in with smoke weed for living. I ain't scared of the height, I chose to pro the chronic. I can step a fool many times until his throat dick beside open sea. I hit through the target, no miss. Female rappers ain't fucking with me, my dick so big. It's true heaven Carquero, I'm so packed and so big. You distressing me, showing things I'm not familiar with. To squeeze a trigger, clean a gun before I leave the fingerprint. In a nigga, but you can picture me on the bigger picture. Tell my nose, I checking this crime. If he's still a king, my check, I must say, I've been there, done that. My flow is going up and down like fountain. Calling yourself obese, occupying much space. You ain't a genius, so rhymes are not there, but dumbass.
You see, I rock bombs and break jaws without feeling pain. You need to get a job and prove a point, cause now it's pain and gain. I'm so insane for the cash, I'd rather squeeze my age and slaughter my own baby to surely have a baby face. You talk shit, that's the only time you sound scared. You so mega fat, I don't care, to me you never have it. Your beef is so cheap, I'm taking candy from a baby. Cause it's not a fresh meat, beef is chicken peri peri. Now get set, be ready, where's your eye patch? Don't you ever cry blood unless you have an iPad. You play games, take a seat and join the hang, man. I got my own friends, me and you will never hang, man. Blaming on a trap, I'm never gonna make it fair. With all these traps and rap, I really had to take a stand. You petty like a snake, why you digging for your grave? I'm just a hair, I'm gonna knock you with my claws with pretty lanes.
You think you handsome, look your forehead in the mirror. You like a scary creature that portrays an unbeliever. I'm like Hitler, I'm one of those autocratic leaders. Your camera was stolen so you won't get a picture. When I demolish, they ask each other, how the fuck is this man not doing proper? All niggas are busy sucking dicks. Before you start to criticize, check your rhyming scheme. Those are terms and conditions of hip-hop hygiene beef. They imitate what we made, but they hesitate when we making wave, changing lanes, spamming fairy tales. You don't need a game reserve to see deadly snake. That is dangerous, will make you suffer from a steady pain. Never forget that we were born to do art. Niggas spitting trash when they tryna drop some few bars. With this face, I'm illustrating my cool side. We art manufacturers and we art good boy.